Sakhamnokni nangmasuk sepsap manyangi peleke jolijaka buan naik kereng. Sakhamnokni Quaretero teimayangi nai jolijaka. Kathaliate melakor Sakhamnoko sakdukni swamuri tongobo hangkoro kaham Quarter grey korksa nasnu kibingibu bokok siljaka.
And see the pipe cutting. It is done in a very circular way na. देखो, see the pipe cutting. देखो, तुम इटर forensic का जाओ. See the pipe cutting. It is done by a saw ना. ऐ तो regular है. देखो. The problem is I am posted in Melagar subdivision hospital, but since there is no quarter, I have to stay in my previous posting Kathalia hospital. And my colleague, staff nurse, Swrangchati staff nurse, she hasn't given me water since 5 days, and I don't know how many days she will keep me. She is dragging me the whole this week. She hasn't given me water, not a single drop of water. Now I request, especially I want to convey my message to especially our health minister, that wherever there is posting for the dental surgeons, either CSC, PSC or district hospital, please give a dental quarter. Because me being a dental officer, I don't have a dental quarter. So I have to stay in a staff nurse quarter. And all these staff nurse, if they gang up on medical officer not giving water, where water is the basic need of a person, water is life, and they are indirectly not, deliberately not giving me water. So I am not able to perform my duty properly, irregularly. And now due to COVID protocol, after doing duty we have to come and take bath. Even I can brush my teeth, how can I take my bath? How can I do my duty? How can I serve the people of Kathalia and Melagar? When I am not being served, I am a person from Kwrwi. I have been transferred from Kwrwi. So what image I will take from the Sripajala district? That there is no water and food for a dental officer. I request our health minister to please provide us dental quarter at least to all the districts, so that no dental officers suffer these from roti kapra makan. Thank you.